Hello everyone, this is Christos Palaskas with Crypto Skepsis. Thank you so much for joining. I'm a software engineer in the automotive industry living in the Seattle area of Washington. I am involved in the cryptocurrency space since 2017, but this year, in February, I started operating a staking pool for Cardano blockchain called ADA Skepsis. I will just show you in this video how to open a wallet, a Cardano wallet, and stake your tokens to a pool so you can get rewards. A few words about Cardano first. As we can see here, Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for the many as well as the few and bring about positive global change. Last year, June 29th, 2020, Cardano released its Shelley era to the mainnet, which means its proof of stake blockchain became available to the public, to anybody. And anybody can participate in this proof of stake network by delegating their tokens to some pool that will return them rewards in the form of tokens, which is something like interest. In order to participate in this, you need to have a wallet and some coins, some Cardano ADA tokens in this wallet. And the easiest way that I have found to do that is using the Yoroi wallet. So all you have to do is go to this website, yoroiwallet.com, and then download for your browser, and then it becomes a plugin. As this loads, you have to accept the terms of use. You can skip this for now. And in this page, you can either connect to a hardware wallet like a Nano Ledger. You can restore a wallet that you have created previously, but for now we will just create a new wallet. We want a Cardano wallet to create it. A paper wallet is something that you can create to store your wallet in a format of 24 words, but it doesn't have easy exposure to staking pools. So we'll just create a simple wallet. We can just name it test wallet. We'll put a spending password. It requires 10 characters. And then we create a personal wallet. Now it will ask you to store these 15 random words on a piece of paper. You don't want to copy it on your computer. You don't want to take a picture of it. You don't want it to be exposed to the internet by any means. I would also suggest at this point you would go ahead and remove yourself from the internet, go offline, so that nobody can potentially steal your phrase if your computer is being compromised. But for the sake of this video, we will just go ahead and do this, and then we write the 15 words. Once you have written the 15 words, you can just go ahead and click this, and now it asks you to tap each word with the order that you have written it. So I will go ahead and do that real quick. And now it says that You have to be solely responsible for your wallet. There is nobody that will help you recover it if you lose your secret key, these 15 words. You're the only one that can access it, but you are also the only one that can lose it and recover it. You are solely responsible. So there is no 24/7 line to help you. There is nobody to call if you lost your password, your words, your private key, these 15 words that we just wrote down. You are solely responsible for your funds. So yes, I understand that. And also you can recover this wallet to another device using these 15 words. And here we have the dashboard of the wallet. You can receive coins by sending this address to somebody you want. And how you send is you just add the address of the person that you want to send. Click the amount that you want to send, let's say 10 ADA, and then you have to send it. The only thing that it will ask you here is the spending password, which is the password that we created when we started to create this wallet. Of course, here this is a brand new wallet. It has a zero balance, but I'm just showing how to delegate. So here you have a list of all the staking pools from big to small. Usually the difference with the big ones is that they have some margin, that they take 2.5% of your rewards as a fee. It's called the tax. The 340 is the minimum network fee that goes every epoch, every 5 days, to the pool that has minted the block. Smaller pools have less tax and the same fees. Of course, there is nobody that can go less than 340. Usually the big pools give rewards every 5 days. The smaller pools might give rewards every 10 days. It depends. It's a lucky draw. And overall, on big pools, the interest is around 5%. Here we see the amount of stake they have. This is 46.51 million, which is 0.7% of the total supply that is staked. The costs, we talked about this. The average cost is regarding also this number, the 340. The pledge is the amount of ADA that these people have pledged to the pool, so that if they misbehave, they will get penalized by losing some of their money. It's just a form of saying, yes, I'm going to be truthful and operate the pool properly without cheating. This is the number of blocks they have minted on this epoch, which, like I said, changes every 5 days. So I will go ahead and show my pool. When you click it, it goes to the adapools.org website, where it has a small presentation. Our pool is still small. It has 1.4 million Cardano, and we have a 20,000 pledge. So all you have to do is go and delegate, and then you will have to pay the network fees, which is 0.17, and there will be a 2 Cardano, 2 ADA fund that you can acquire back when you deregister. So those 2 Cardanos you will get back when you deregister. So that would be it. that would be it. And then once you have delegated, you can receive your tokens every 5 days. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you find any value in this video, please consider delegating some ADA on our pool, ADA Skepsis. We donate 10% of our pool's rewards to a scholarship at the National Technical University of Athens. Thanks again. See you next time.